So आज हम जाने वाले हैं मेरे लाइसेंस के लिए. I have to convert my license from an Indian license to the Finnish license. So I will go with the house owner in his car. So it's 9 o'clock in the morning. We went yesterday and it was quite crowded. So now we will go and try now. So hopefully it's empty now. Let's go.
Finland, so you see, we go one place 9 o'clock. It's
Yeah.
busy. So now it's not much people. Morning it's good.
So we have reached the place. This is the office where we have to come for the license. Let's go inside.
I need to get done.
So, do you speak English?
Yeah,
Yes.
I need to English.
Are you living permanently in Finland now?
Yes.
Do you have a Finnish ID?
Yes, I do.
Do you have it with you?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Yeah. So the issue here is that my RP does not have a security number yet. I have already registered at DVV, so I will be getting that in 3 more weeks. So after that I can come and apply, but for now I can use my Indian license, but I just have to carry my passport while I'm driving it. So that works for now. Let's go back.
I have so much things to
So
do.
when you're coming to Finland, just keep that in mind that you can use your existing license from India to drive here, but you just have to carry another ID with you. And in case you don't have a social security number when you're getting the RP, just check for that. And it once you get that number, you have to apply within 2 years, or else it will not be valid. You have to apply from here to get a new license from there. So that's the process. And once I get that number, I have to go back to them, take an appointment, go for a medical checkup with eyes and everything. After that I can go and take an go for the appointment and apply for the exchange. Yeah, so that's the process.